So like I said earlier on the plastic trim, my good friend, longtime buddy, God, a lot of years, I think 11, 12 years now, Solution Finish, Chris West. Amazing guy. He really took a lot of time, energy, and effort to put out a product that is not a dressing. It's actually a carbon-based product. So when you use this, it actually goes in, kills the oxidation, replaces it with carbon, and now you've got a restored piece of plastic. You guys all know that when you put dressing on a car, within one car wash or one good storm, it all washes off and back to normal goes your ugly faded trim. Now watch what I'm going to do here. You see the tiger striping. Now 90% of the time, once the plastic starts to tiger stripe, there's no way to bring it back with a dressing or anything like that. But I want you to take your eyes and watch how this works. Look at that. This is Solution Finish. Look at that. This actually goes in. Now this has already been cleaned and prepped and ready for this solution that Chris has made. But look at how beautiful and gorgeous this trim is going to look. Really setting off the finished product for my client. It's going to look great. She's going to be stoked beyond belief. She just got this car and she wanted it looking like the new car it should be. For God's sakes, it's a Lexus. Check this out. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm going to hit these edges right in here. Get underneath the rocker panel really good. I'll take a rag and let it sit for a couple minutes. I'll take a rag, wipe it off, and I will have a beautiful, beautiful finished trim car for this lady's driving experience. This is Mel, I'm out.